Welcome to my new blog post 7. And in this blog post, I'm going to provide you an overview about the Power BI desktop installation, or to simply put, Power BI installation. So let's start. Power BI basically supports various Windows operating systems, namely Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows Server 2008 R2, Windows Server 2012, Windows Server 2012 R2, and Windows 10. And Microsoft Power BI support all of these systems. And also you need to have Microsoft .NET Framework 4.5.2 and above for in order to install the Power BI. So how you can actually install the Power BI? So it's quite easy. To simply put, you just only need to paste this link, powerbi.microsoft.com/en-us, and in your web browser, and then you need to, and this page will be opened up. This is the default page of the Microsoft Power BI website, and from there you need to go to the products, and you need to click on the Power BI desktop. So here you can actually see the downloading options and the language options that you would like to use as an installation. And also you can click directly on the download free. It will download, it will go to the downloading page for the Microsoft Power BI, which is actually in the English language. So I'm just clicking on this one, download free, and it asked me about like the setup is which shall be opened by the Microsoft store. So I have clicked on the Microsoft store page, and it will move to the Microsoft page, and there you will see the install button. Now here I would like to tell you about few things. I'm just stopping here, and I need to let you know about few things about the Power BI desktop installation. On Microsoft Store, you should have your own Outlook account or Hotmail account. You need to sign into the Microsoft Store, and after that you shall be able to install the Power BI desktop. So if you get this kind of a prompt, like you need to sign in, and if you don't have any sign up information, or sorry, sign in information, you need to sign up for the Microsoft. So a simple Microsoft Outlook account or the Hotmail account will be sufficed in order to install the Power BI desktop. This is a pro tip. So here you can actually go ahead and take some overview about the Microsoft Power BI desktop that is actually provided by the Microsoft. You can also go ahead and check the latest system requirements that are actually being provided by the Microsoft right now. So right now it is giving me the recommendation as per my PC, but if you have the Windows 8 or Windows 7, that will also work. You can also go ahead and check out the reviews. 3.8 is actually a fair review. It's a quite a good review. And I am expecting like it shall be it shall go up in near future, because Power BI, Microsoft is actually releasing lots of features on monthly basis. So it's a very good device. It's a very good software in order to create the dashboards. So if you have the Microsoft account, like I do have, I have created a one Power BI one desktop one, Power BI desktop one at the rate of hotmail.com, only to install this Power BI desktop software. So if I have that one, I have a simple one Hotmail account. So I have utilized this one to sign up. Otherwise, you can also add your work or school account. So it depends upon you that how you will actually choose it. Once you will have that, you can actually go ahead and click on the install button. So once it will be installed, uh, It will take like half an hour and to install. So it's a quite huge setup, like around about like 557 MB. So it will download it. It will be downloaded and then it will be installed. So the installation will be and guess what? You don't need to like you need don't need to go for the prompts, different prompts in order to install. Once it will be downloaded, it will automatically install the Power BI desktop and see, and it will ask you to launch the product. So I right here, I will click on the launch, and Microsoft Power BI has been launched here. So let me showcase it to you. So this is the Power BI desktop environment. If you would like to, if you are using Power BI Pro, so for that you need to sign in. Otherwise, if you would like to play around on your desktop, you would like to create reports, then you can fairly use this environment in order to create your reports and dashboards. So in my next session, I will provide you with the view about the Power BI desktop. I will give you a walkthrough about the Power BI desktop, in which you will get the information about what these different toolbars or how to interact with the various environmental factors. So I hope so you have understood the concept about how to install the Microsoft Power BI desktop.